I have to remove the front mount here on this old helmet. So I'm gonna cut it with this knife and then put it up here, so on this new helmet, and I'm gonna use this that I got with the mount when I bought it from AliExpress, and this is just a very sticky material, 3M, and I think that it is gonna work just like on this one. So this is the old and this is the new helmet. Otherwise I will have to remove the interior because the microphone it's inside, and I will have to remove it, and when I will put my old mic into the new helmet, I will need this, and this is an American tape. Why I am using this? Because simply it is stronger, guys. So Hi to everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Refuel Ride Race channel, and this channel is all about motorcycles, cars and traveling. Thanks for stopping by, especially for you that are for the first time here on my channel watching my video. I am already preparing myself for the next season, so for the season 2024. The weather it's yet not that good to go for a ride, but we are in the middle of February and it is starting to getting better. Otherwise today it's the day when I am gonna remove my chin mount that I have here and my microphone that I have here inside and put it inside my new helmet. So this is HJC helmet, and I already did a review, so you can check it on my channel up here, and I think that it is gonna work as good as on this one. So it is just a simple AliExpress mount that I already also filmed, so you can check it on my channel too, and it was a simple thing to do. So it is just about these, you know, stickers that are in between the mount and the helmet. So in fact you just put this on the helmet and you put the mount on these stickers and you are good to go. So why it is a bit complicated? A bit complicated, it's mainly because you have to put it right in the middle of the helmet, guys. So you have to be careful, and you just have to arrange also the line, so it can happen that it is not gonna be in line, and then you will have some problems, because it is very hard, I have to stress this, to put it back then if needed, guys. So first of all I'm gonna remove the front, then I'm gonna remove the interior and the microphone that I have inside. This is a mic from Lavalier. I also filmed a video about it when I got this helmet and the mic, so those of you who are interested in my first motovlog setup video, you can check it up here, and let's go and do it on the new one. It is a bit hard to remove it, because after so many years, you know, it is very hard on, and I'm slowly removing it. You can damage your helmet, but it is no other way to remove it, in my opinion. That's why I'm doing it carefully and slowly. Now it is without the front chin mount, and as you can see, I didn't scratch so much the front, and I'm just gonna clean it, and the helmet will be ready for use. So the mic, it's here, and here I have this American tape, so I'm gonna just remove it right now. The mic is out and ready to install it in the new helmet. The easiest solution would be to buy a new chin mount, but I just decided that I can use also this one, and I am pretty sure that it is gonna work just perfectly. Yeah, and now you can see that it is going very easily, just with some patience, you know, because this is a kind of a work that you have to do slowly and with a lot of patience, in my opinion. I will have to find the best position, as you can see, guys, and I already see that it will be here. I have to be careful because of this button, otherwise it is not gonna be functional. Now I'm gonna cut these pieces of 3M stickers to fit here one by one, and then put all together on the helmet. And to cut them I need just scissors, so I'm gonna go and take them. There is no need that it is perfect to fit here, but just you cut a little bit less, and then you can adjust it like this one here. Yeah, exactly. So now we have this one for this part and this one for this part, and here I have a bit too much. I'm gonna cut it a bit more like this. Yeah, now I think that it will fit just perfectly. Yes, exactly. Okay, let's do also these two. This is gonna go just half on each side of this. Now the hardest part. So the stickers are on the mount, and now I have to stick everything on the helmet, but I have to be very careful because it should be in line, and it should be very tight on. So once you put this thing on your helmet, there is nothing to do anymore, so you should be really careful. I see that it is still missing here, so it's not touching, and that's why I'm gonna put these little pieces on, and then it will be very good in my opinion. So let's do it. And now I have to remove the interior to insert the mic. I'm gonna keep it just like this, so it is the same number of the helmet, so the same size, and I think that it is gonna be just perfect. I mean, this length of the jack here, and then the microphone will go on one of these sides. I will check where it's the place for the mic, and this is all I'm gonna do right now. So this is the interior, and on the right side, so here, I'm gonna put the mic right now. I just realized that I'm not gonna need this American tape for this part of the mic inside the helmet, just in front of the helmet where there is my chin. I'm gonna fix it with this one. It has a removable piece of the chin curtain here, and this is just a great thing from HJC. There is a problem with this jack. It is not possible to insert it here, and that is why I'm gonna mount a little piece of plastic that will hold it here. Let's put it on to see how it fits on my head. I have to say that right now it seems to be very, very good. I mean, the mic inside, it's not touching anything, and I just feel comfortable right now. This is all, guys. This is all for now. The chin mount that I had on my previous helmet, it's on the new one, and I think that it's gonna work very well, but I will have to put that little piece for the microphone jack, you know, because right now it is just waving here, and I'm gonna put something to have it just here to be on the mount and not to be free, you know, guys. So this is all. Just like I said, you can check my other helmet reviews videos. You can check my other videos like test rides and do it yourself videos. You can check also my car videos and have fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.